Well, are you wondering what the truck market, used truck market is? Well, right here we have a 2009 Peterbilt 389 with 1,000,000 miles on it with a sticker price of $53,950. Let's take a look at this truck. Well, here's a 2009 Peterbilt, $53,950. It has 1,000,000 miles on it. The outside of it is very clean. It looks like it has virgin steer tires. Yeah, look at all the chrome. Look at the stacks. That's what you need to be a trucker. You need those stacks. But, yeah. Outside of the truck is very clean. Drive tires look like they're brand new as well. New Goodyears. Sharp looking truck, man. At least from the outside. Tanks look nice and polished, clean. Let's see what's under the hood of this thing. Well, it's only got the best engine ever made. It's got a Cummins. Definitely clean. I mean, you could tell that they painted it. But yeah, very clean. This is the driver's side. Let's go over to the passenger side. A very, very clean looking engine. Nice turbo. So tell me in the comments, obviously exhaust manifold, correct? Is this an EGR cooler right here? Tell me in the comments. This is a no DEF or DPF truck, but isn't this an EGR cooler right here? I think it is. Well, there you go. It has an Eaton 18-speed transmission. Once again, this is a 2009 Peterbilt with 1,000,000 miles on it with a price tag of $53,950. Here's the dash. Here's the bunk. Kind of clean. I mean, you could tell it's an older truck. Like I said, 2009. It does have a fridge. Well, I found this laying on the floor. It's a 2009 Peterbilt 389 with over 1,000,000 miles on it. It has a Cummins ISX 485 horsepower engine, no overhaul on the engine. It has an Eaton transmission, 18-speed. Once again, this truck has over 1,000,000 miles. They want $53,950. All right, drop a comment right now. You saw it, a 2009 Peterbilt 389 with over 1,000,000 miles on it, no engine overhaul. They want $53,000. 18-speed manual transmission. You cannot be a steering wheel holder and own this truck. Would you pay $53,000 for this truck? Let me know in the comments below.